Hey guys, hope you all are having an amazing day. This is Kevin and you're watching Khao peeyo. And in this video, I'm going to give you a tour of IKEA Hyderabad. Hope you all like the video. Let's go take a tour. Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video, I'm going to give you a detailed tour of IKEA Hyderabad, which is at HITEC City Mindspace Road. So last week on a Tuesday evening, we visited the most talked about IKEA Hyderabad store. IKEA opened in Hyderabad on August 2018. The timings of the Hyderabad store are 10 am to 11 pm. There are a total 4 physical stores of IKEA around India, one in Hyderabad, one in Bangalore, and 2 in Mumbai. When you drive through the entrance, it is going to lead you to the parking space. They have parking area 1 and parking area 2 to accommodate a lot of vehicles. There is a huge parking space available just like any other mall in Hyderabad. I would recommend remembering the pillar number or writing it down so that you won't forget where you have parked your vehicle. This was Zara's first big outing, and even Zach was very excited about it. If you're shopping with toddlers or infants, I suggest you guys to carry a stroller or a baby carrier with you so that it is easy for you guys to roam around the store with your little ones. You can enter the store through the parking lot. Well, I got to know that IKEA is a Scandinavian chain which offers a wide range of products. So, let's check it out and see what they have in store for us. Did you guys know that IKEA is the only brand which has such a huge sole store in Hyderabad? And also, it is an ideal place for home essentials, furniture and crockery. We took the elevator to the ground floor, and at the entrance there is a seating area where you can wait or relax a bit while the rest of the family goes shopping. I found this thoughtful because not everybody likes to shop around large stores. Right beside the seating area, there is a kids play area called Smalland, where you can leave your kids and they will be taken care of by the workers of IKEA for free for 45 minutes. Did you guys know that Småland is an actual place in southern Sweden? Well, going forward, we'll talk more about Smalland, about how it works and how you can utilize the service. So for now, let's enter the market hall. On ground level, there is market hall, Smalland, self-serve furniture area and billing area. And trust me, it is going to take more than 2 hours for you guys to roam around the market hall. So to give you guys an idea of it, Market Hall is basically a place for all small and large home furnishing accessories like cooking and tableware, daily storage, etc. A lot of people prefer purchasing from IKEA not only for its durability but also for its neat finish. I personally trust this brand as I did purchase a lot of glassware, tableware and the quality was exceptional. I usually look for microwave friendly cookware or glassware, and there are a wide range of options available for that. People who are into baking or love baking will not be disappointed at all with this place. So just to get a gist of the history of this place, IKEA is the name of a popular Scandinavian founded worldwide furniture store. And underneath the company's public persona is a deeply rooted cultural heritage, one of Scandinavian descent. The company was founded by Ingvar Kamprad in 1943, who grew up on a farm in Sweden. I was able to find every kitchen essential that I needed, and also there is a wide range of cutlery options available. The pricing here is not too costly and not too cheap, as every item is priced per piece for a decent price. I found the tableware available here had a neat and a classic Swedish look to it. I think $7.99 for a pack of 4 bowls is decent enough given the quality and class look the product has. They also have these amazing Borosil salad bowls. If you are a salad person, then this is the best thing you need. So coming back to Smalland, they have a measuring scale displayed on the Smalland wall where you can sign up kids who are 3 feet to 4.5 feet in height. And you also have to fill up a registration form for each child at one of the kiosks. If you want to sign up your child at Smalland, then all the parents and guardians must be above 18 years old, and also there is an estimated waiting period of time that you will be informed at the time of registration. After the registration at Smalland is done, you will receive an SMS to notify you when it is your child's turn to play, and also your child will be taken care of by the IKEA staff for free for 45 minutes. When it is time for you to pick up your child, you will receive a notification through SMS, and also they have this rule that the person who signed up the child must be the same person to pick up the child. There are also some other rules to be followed in Småland, that you have to pick up your child immediately when notified or cops will be called, and there is no food provided and no gadgets are allowed, and parents are to be in the store when the child is in Småland. So do make sure you guys follow these rules if you want to leave your child in Småland. Took us more than an hour just to get out of the cookware and tableware area and to get to the place where home decor is available. There are a wide range of options available at IKEA for the people who want to redecorate their homes or decorate a new one. This place is basically where you can get everything for your bedrooms, bathrooms, and kitchen. Did you know that IKEA stands for the first initials of the founder's name and there are more than 400 stores around the world? IKEA also has different services like delivery, assembly, installation, measuring services, kitchen planning, and room designing. IKEA has exclusive offers and discounts, including early access sales for their members. The membership is free and you can find more information about various offers and benefits on the IKEA mobile app. The variety of glassware available at the store is just amazing. There are different types of wine glasses, cocktail glasses, and there is also an information board where you can decide the kind of glassware you would need. Each piece was very elegant and worth the price. You don't have to be an artist to get a stylish wall art, as there are ready-to-hand canvas prints and pictures perfect for your home. The artificial plants and flowers collection in IKEA will add a pop of color to any room and will surely bring peace to the ambience. After the market hall, we reach the self-serve warehouse area where few products have red price tags and some of them have yellow price tags. You can put the products with red price tags directly in your cart, but if the price tag of the product you want to purchase is yellow, then you have to contact a nearby employee who will pick up the goods for you from the warehouse. The warehouse area leads to the billing counters and then the parking lot. You can also swing by the Swedish food market where they have cured salmon, meatballs, sauces, some cookies, chocolate bars, and many more snacks. And these items are to be purchased at a separate billing counter. The cold coffee and the chocolate cookies are a must try at the Swedish market. We also purchased some of the chocolate bars and the meatballs, which taste really good and are a must try. In front of the billing counter, there is a cafe where you can get a coffee or a tea for free when you scan your IKEA family card. You can get an IKEA membership at free of cost. They also have an exchange and return area next to the billing counter. IKEA has a return exchange policy of 60 days for regular customer and 90 days for IKEA family members. There is another floor which we will explore in the next part. Well, that's it for today guys. Shopping at IKEA was really fun. Hope you all liked the video, and if you did, please do subscribe, like, comment and share. Khao, peeyo, mast, jiyo. See you in the next one.